Alright, good evening everybody. This is a live severe weather update. The National Weather Service has just issued a tornado warning. Has just been issued. This is up here in parts of Massachusetts today. I think the warning is getting ready to expire. We've been dealing with some severe weather this afternoon, and there already been a severe thunderstorm watch all afternoon today. Due to these line of thunderstorms, the main risk is going to be some damage and straight line winds are going to be the biggest threat. Can't roll out a spin-up tornado. We already had that today. And we've been watching these storms from the last couple hours, how they've been forming. So we'll switch this. I'm going to send this to our sites, a couple sites of us, so we can tell people what's kind of going on. We've been dealing with storms forming all day, and you can see that the National Weather Service had a tornado warning, and you can see this goes into effect but at 6:17 Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Mashpofton or near Barceton, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. So, folks, this is booking at 60 miles an hour. So this is very fast. So you definitely need to be get centered and get covered. Go to the lowest floor of your home. Put a mattress between you, a helmet on top of your head, just in case this storm would produce a tornado. You're not going to have time to wait on this. This is booking at 60 miles an hour. So, hazardous tornado. This is a radar indicated tornado. We don't have nothing on the ground, but you can see there is some sheared winds going in and winds going out. That is at the sign we got rotation with these sails, and that's why we're continuing to do this. So we do have a tornado warning that goes in effect into around 5:30 this evening. We have no anything on the ground yet. I'll try to get Isaac on right now so he could maybe join us if he's not working, because I've been kind of covering this off air today, but I decided to make a quick update on this tornado warning, and you can see it's capable of producing one, when pretty decent sheared there. So let me pull up our correlation thing. This is the tool we use just to see if we have any debris. When this exits off land and gets back on water, this will just become a water spout. So this booking at 60 miles an hour. And also we have that severe thunderstorm warning, and this storm is capable of producing winds over 60 miles an hour, and this is booking at 50. So both of these could have the potential of wind sheared that could produce a brief tornado, and that's why we have to watch up here by Sandwich area. That's where the strongest wind sheared's at. You get winds going in, winds going out. That just tells you that we could have a tornado with this sail, so we definitely need to be aware of that as it continues right now to develop. Back out here just a minute, and you can see the warnings has got canceled or about ready to expire around 5:30. We just want to update you. A couple of these other sails are looking pretty strong, but mainly 40 to 50 miles of wind. After this line passes here, I think it'll exit the area and go off seas, so that means we won't see another tornado threat. So we will keep you informed here. I was just going to pop on, and before we do that, I'm going to see if we have any photos to share with you on here, because sometimes we do. Oh yeah, we got some reports earlier coming in. I don't know if this is from the earlier damage we've got. This is from today. This is like in New York. So while we're on today, hopefully I'm gonna go on my Facebook page. We'll keep coverage up for a second, and I'm going to share some damage reports coming in, some photos from new work today. I mean, this just tells you how much tornado damage we had in New York. And I had to see if I can find it here a minute. Alright, here it is. It's from one of our storm chasers. And this damage tornadoes, hopefully no damage and no and no injuries. But this just tells you what happened today from some significant tornado damage. And we could just pull this up here. If I could, alright, click on this again. Go this way, and this might make a difference here. Just a second here, folks. Let's change this. We'll get radar back up a second. I just want to show these folks here what kind of damage we had today. And we'll put this back in here. And you can see, this is the tornado damage we had in New York today. I mean, look at this. Goodness gracious. And you can see there's some significant damage we had with this new work today. So that just tells you these tornadoes have been pretty strong. They'll probably do a survey on this eventually, and they'll survey what actually happened. I just want to show you that. Alright, the National Weather Service just issued another tornado warning, so we want to probably go back off that, get radar back up if we can. And we'll sort this back out. New tornado warnings will stay with you until the advisories expired. So let's switch back here. Zoom in here. Put our next scan here. Let's see what we got in place. Alright, they probably extended the new tornado warning. And alright, new tornado warning about 7:30 the central Barstow, Table County, and north central Massachusetts at 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:26 Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near Barstow, Mooney, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. So, folks, this is booking at 55. So this is quick. You're not going to have time. So hazardous tornado. So you need to go to the lowest floor, and this storm will be include Hyson area. So if you're in this area, you need to be getting to your tornado safe spot. We'll pull up our velocity, and I can see why. Gate to gate sheared, winds going in, winds going out. This is a strong sail, and this is I'm telling you, folks, this is booking at 55. This is the car speeds you drive on the road. This is going to be on top of you really quick, and there is some more circulations I'm kind of noticing, so we could be getting another spin up of that. So right now, so that's some good news, but let's see, we'll change that back here just in case I'll see something. There's a little something there I'm going to have to watch, but the severe thunderstorm warning will expire around 5:45, and this still is booking at 55. So as these storms moving in, we could get a storm that could actually spin up a tornado. We already had some damage earlier in New York. I'll probably even share that to my page here into our weather sites, so people know what happened today. Just give me a second. So that's something we gotta have to watch. You know, yeah, 3 viewers on now. Probably tuning in. What's going on? If you're just tuning into our site right now, we have still have tornado warnings in process up here toward Massachusetts, and there's been shown here. That's why we've been kind of showing you a lot today that these storms have been producing tornado warnings. So if you're under one of these advisories, you need to be seeking shelter immediately. I'll zoom in here, and you can see any of these storms are going to have a spin to them today, especially red next to green. That is gate to gate sheared. Winds going in, winds going out, and our correlation drop is just not showing a lot today. So this doesn't mean we have a tornado on the ground right now, but there is some more pockets. I've been noticing. What I've been noticing is on these storms, there's more couplets. That when you have couplets like that, folks, that means rotation. Any storms could spin and even produce another tornado. So we'll back up here a little closely. Any of these spots up to the north, we're going to have to moderate too, because this is still. Once this gets off land, because earlier, just look at the markers showed up. That's why we had some rotation earlier, is because every marker. But now things are. I'm gonna have to watch these special marine warnings until they get off ocean. You gotta watch off seas, off land. You gotta watch them, because anytime. Just a second, folks.